Okay, so what's on guys, I'm welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you download or get any ringtone you want. So the first thing you need to do is actually download this app here. It's called, I'll just show you guys, you can't really see it, but no, you can't see it. This app right here. Okay, I'll just, it's DOCUMAE. I meant not ENTS. So I'll just do it right here. Just do in the App Store. Just do DOC and it will pop up. Click on this for free, and it will pop up. And download it here. The first one will pop up. So yeah. And then you want to click on this, go in that, and you want to swipe over here, like that. You know, like in the here and swipe. And then I want to go to YouTube MP3, sorry. And then you want to click that. I'm sorry you can't see that very well. Yeah. And then you want to paste your video. I'm just going to do YouTube and just search any video. Just search any video. What video should I? I'm just going to do Marimba Remix ringtone, okay? And I'm going to do this one.
Make this your ringtone by clicking the link in the description.
This is it. See, I like this one really. It's really cool. And I'll just click copy to share, and then copy link. Okay, I've already done that. So now I want to go to this app again with a D and click that. And then click it again and click paste, and then click convert video again, and then click download. And then you just want to click save, and now it's downloaded. So now you want to do this again, and now we want to go to download, and it's right here, right here. And now we want to take copy, and then iCloud, and then copy to iCloud. So now it's there. So now you don't need to do anything else, but now you need to go to download GarageBand. Install that, so yeah, and to GarageBand, and it will pop up. And download that, yeah. And now you want to go to that app. Go to the app, GarageBand, and just click on this plus, and click create new song. Right here. Nope, not that one. Don't click create new song. Yeah. Okay. And just click on voice, and then click on this. And then click on this little circle right here, circle thing. I don't even know what this is, but click on that. And import from iCloud, go here, on one, so it should be here. Just scroll down a little bit, just do that. Yep, there it is.
Make this your ringtone by clicking the link in the description.
See, that's it. Okay, now I just want to click import. Yep. Now I just want to hold this and put it right here. Also, you need to click on this plus. Click on the plus here in the corner. Plus. And you just want to click that. And do it 30 bars. 30 and done. And now that's done. So now you can just do whatever you want. Like, I didn't want to do that. If you can get it out today, that would be great. Let it go. Okay, and then and you can move it wherever you want. Like, you can have it like this. So
make this your ringtone by clicking the link in the description.
okay, well.
Make this your ring.
Okay, so that's done. Now I just want to click this and click my song. And now I want to hold this and click share and click ringtone. Click continue and click, you just wanna, what's the name, Alan Fed, I don't know, I don't remember it, but I'm just gonna do just Fed it, yeah, and then that, and OK, and it's there. So now you go here to settings and click sounds, click ringtone, and then you want to click the song you used. Okay, for some reason my song is not there, but you can see that this song, Master of Mama, had a word. See, this one. You can see that this one worked. I don't know, I'm gonna do this one more time to see why didn't it go. Share, ringtone, continue, just faded. There is not enough space. Okay, well, guess there's not enough space. Let me just remove anything. I don't know if you need to remove games or if you need to remove. Wait. Okay, there's not enough space, but you can do it because you have space, you know. You can just see it. You see that it said there's not enough space. If you don't believe me, continue. A backup file. Your ringtone was copied to the file sharing area. Oh, it worked! Yay! It actually worked. Wait, let me just do it one more time. It actually worked now. Okay, it actually worked. So let me just do faded. Okay, maybe it works. And it did work. So now it works. I don't know why it didn't work later. But see, faded. Okay, so now I'm gonna ring my phone and see what happens. And I'm gonna have the faded one, yeah. Okay. Okay, ring and see what happens. Let's look at this. It's gonna happen, I swear. So that's the ringtone. Okay, so thank you for watching and peace out.